Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to be showing you around this lovely and big spec 2018 18 plate Jaguar F-Pace Sport all-wheel drive. 2 litre diesel, fantastic engines. They only need servicing every 2 years or 21,000 miles. This car has a fantastic specification on it, so it's finished in this lovely and highly desirable Corris grey metallic paintwork, and then to couple that we've also got the full exterior black package as well. So just going round the car, obviously the R Sport gives you the more aggressive body styling, your more pronounced front and rear ends, nice flared side skirts, and then a sportier interior as well. But we've got our LED daytime running lights, we've got a headlamp wash, and then the black package gives you the gloss black centre grille, the lower lip, and your side mouldings as well. We're riding on upgrade wheels, so we're riding on these lovely 20-inch 5-spoke alloys, also finished in the lovely gloss black. Those are riding on nice tyres and all 4 are in nice condition. Black package follows through onto the side, so the side mouldings there in black. You've got this black strip running just along the sill. Gloss black window surrounds, we've got privacy glass, we've got gloss black roof bars. This vehicle has the option of a full panoramic glass roof, so another lovely feature. And then inside I'll show you, we've got the nicer upper environment as well. LED rear lamps, rear parking sensors, rear camera as well. Electric tailgate, so it's just press of a button and it glides up like so. And then in the rear we've got our parcel shelf, 12 volt power outlet, split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. And then down there you'll find a space saver spur wheel with all the kit to change it and your locking wheel nut. Coming through to the interior, you'll find a black part perforated leather sport seat with a lovely contrasting white stitch which runs all throughout the car, on the dashboard, down the center console and onto the seats. ISOFIX in the bottom for our child seats, 3 seat belts, so comfortable seating for 3. Central armrest with 2 cup holders, and then just jumping inside, you've got rear vents, so the rear passengers get the full benefit of the climate control and air conditioning. And then down there we've got 2 5-volt USB outputs and a 12-volt power outlet as well. Now we're in the back. You get the full appreciation of the panoramic glass roof. The lovely upper environment is finished in this sort of suede cloth, so feels fantastic on the hand and gives it a really nice effect as well. Looking into the cabin, fantastic fit and finish, lots of bright silver detailing, lots of gloss black inserts. And then jumping into the driver's side, I'll just talk you through some of the specification, because specification wise these are very impressive vehicles. First of all, the driver's seat, obviously this is where you tend to pick up most of your work, getting in and out of the vehicle. Looking at the bolsters, they're in fantastic order. ISOFIX obviously in the rear seats, but we've got perforations there. So jumping inside, we've got Jaguar illuminated kick plates. We'll close the door. So inside you're greeted with this lovely leather multifunction steering wheel. So the R Sport steering wheel, on here you've got your voice command, your Bluetooth phone, volume and media controls, lane deviation. Obviously this vehicle is powered through the 8-speed automatic box, so you've got the flappy paddles on the wheel which turn as you turn the wheel. Automatic lights, automatic wipers, as to be expected on a vehicle of this caliber. And as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 18,058 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. So then coming through to the center display, you get the newer style infotainment system, and on there is our satellite navigation. A very easy and responsive system to use. We've got our multimedia, so DAB, radio, all the extended channels, Bluetooth phone, very nice and easy to connect via the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. We've got our web browser, eco data, in control applications, all your seat functions as well. So these seats are heated in the front. Clicking through then again, we've got our voice, Bluetooth, ASI suite, which is your sort of full traction control, and your contacts as well. It's a dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. Full drive select, so dynamic, normal, eco, all-terrain, traction control, automatic stop start. The vehicle is supplied with both keys, electric parking brake, central cup holders, central armrest in superb order, and then within there is 2 USBs, a micro SIM card input, and a 12-volt power outlet. But inside, it doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in, doesn't smell like it's ever had any pets. Condition of the steering wheel, it's in lovely order, no signs of any sort of nicks from rings or bracelets. As I showed you before, the seats are in nice condition as well. But I'd say a car that's been very well kept and looked after by the previous keepers. Obviously specification was a must for them, so spec wise, the panoramic glass roof, the bigger wheels, the black package, the lovely upper environment, it all comes together in this very, very nice package. So if you'd like anything further on this car, you can give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. At the moment we are trying to work via appointments, so please do get in touch before travelling down. We'll happily book you in. If you're looking to travel the distance, please have a look at our reviews. We're a 5-star dealer. We've got over 500 5-star reviews from verified buyers. Our Facebook page, you'll see happy customers who have travelled the distance to collect their cars. You'll see the level of stock that we carry here at Alpha Motors, and I'm sure, having flicked through the advert and the photographs, you'll see the numerous awards that we've won over the years. So on sales, there's myself, Dominic, there's also my colleagues Graham and Lee, so any one of us would be happy to help you. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.